trying. I want my share. Keep trying.
Could it be that he gave me a wrong number?
Keep trying. Yeah! For real! For real! For real! Take it down. Silent. Wait.
Hello?
Hi. Who's on the line?
Hi, this is Akia.
Is this Dr. Major Nelly?
Yes. This is Dr. Major.
Hi. This is Akia, the girl you met at the restaurant this afternoon.
Like a couple of hours ago, I promised I was going to call you.
Oh, Cinderella. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Where are you now?
I'm in America.
I'm in the American embassy in Accra.
You know, I got a package over the weekend from General Colin Power.
So I have to just dash down in Accra to pick it up.
Intelligence stuff, you know?
But how? You were
just here a couple of hours ago.
I don't understand.
They sent me a private jet.
Yeah, they picked me up. So, in a flash, I'm in Accra.
You know, I'm a little busy right now. So can you please call me back in like 3 hours? But if you don't get me on the line, don't worry about it, because I'm gonna come
Down to Kumasi to have
lunch with you in the afternoon. Just to have lunch with you. Do you like that?
Yes, no problem.
I love you. You know that, right?
I love you too.
Maybe enough break time. We've been working hard. My friend, go and work and stop being too known. You don't issue instructions here, eh? I do. And don't ever tell me when to call for break. Now go and work. And so what? My friend, you are being too arrogant for your own good. Eh? Next time you tell me what to do, I will not hesitate to fire you. But I beg, I'll go work. You better be sorry. Come, go and work. I'll go work. If you beg, I'll beg. Look, my friend.
Charles, you have to hurry up and finish.
What is that supposed to mean?
Charles, I can't attend to you at the same time I attend to the customers.
But you don't even have time to talk with me?
No, it's not that. It's just that I'm a very busy woman. You know, these are customers. Business first.
You know, I want to discuss something very important with you. That is why I'm here.
But I'm very sure that you can go and come back in the evening. At that time, I'll be less busy. And then whatever you have to discuss, we'll discuss at that time.
But your girls are there to take over.
But my girls, they can't relate with the customers like the way I can.
I've even lost my appetite.
Oh, sorry.
Well, okay. Then I think I'll leave. My greetings to your mom.
I'll tell her. No, you're my darling. So I love you. Can you imagine this guy? He actually wanted to finish this food.
My friend, where are you going? If you come even a minute late, I will sack you. Oh, sir, I go there. Well, I will come. Well, I've told you. If you come even a minute late, you are sacked. I did just check something for town boss, I beg. What? You like my shada?
Lunchtime, so how come he's still not here? Maybe I should check too.
Are you sure he's gonna come?
I don't know, but this guy's an American. And these people, I heard they don't promise and fail easily. They don't play with their time either.
You're right. I learned that these people value time more than
Yes, I read that too. So why is he not here? It's past lunchtime. Do you think I should call him?
Maybe you should.
Yeah.
Because this is the kid mom.
Oh, what do you think I'm bugging him or something?
Girl, call him. I'm here. Call him.
Let me get my phone. Hello. Hi. How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh my God.
And you?
Good. I almost thought you weren't coming.
I told you I'll be here. I'll be here.
I have a seat.
Thanks.
Oh, this is my friend Laurentia. Laurentia, this is Nelly.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure is mine.
Wow. I couldn't wait to have a look at you. But now that I get to see you myself, I must admit, you are the most handsome young man ever.
Oh, thanks for the compliment. People don't usually give compliments around here. Thanks.
So Nelly, what exactly is your mission here in Ghana?
That's like an SAT question. I'm afraid I can't tell you. Yeah, I'm not supposed to discuss my mission. You know, with
Why not?
civilians. You're a civilian. I can't do that. But it's alright. It's okay. Because of you, I'm just saying a little.
Okay.
Alright, come over. You see, after the execution of Saddam Hussein, my government got intelligence information that some members of Al-Qaeda have infiltrated Ghana. So, and you know how much these guys are against my government, against my President George Bush. So a few of my colleagues and myself were selected to just flush them out. I don't know if I'm making sense or if you're understanding it, but That's why I'm here.
Interesting.
I see. So, are you married back home?
Married? Nope. I'm not married. And one of the reasons why I even took up this mission is because I've always had a dream to marry a lady from Africa. And thank goodness I met Akia.
No, it's not Akia. It's Akia. Say it.
No, I'll get it, don't
Oh,
worry.
say it.
Must I say it?
Yes, you have to.
Okay, Akia.
Well, that's better.
I'm sure I'll get it sooner or later.
Okay. So what can I offer you to drink?
I'll take your best one.
Okay.
Not unless you have comedy club now.
No.
Okay, no problem.
Alright.
No problems. So, what do you do?
I'm a fashion designer.
Cool. And does that fetch a lot of money?
Hey, Akia, what am I hearing about your relationship with that American soldier? Akia?
Mama, he's only a friend. That's all.
And yet he dashes you money just like that. A friend and dashes you dollars just like that.
But what is wrong if he dashes me dollars? After all, he earns $50,000 every week. So giving me $50 and $100 will not even affect him. Yes.
Is that the reason why you have avoided your fiancé?
Why? Is that what he told you? I'm not avoiding him. I'm not avoiding him. I don't know why he told you that.
Akia, be very careful. I said be very, very careful.
Oh, Mama, you worry too much. What's this? You worry too much. I'm even tired.
Akia, be very careful though.
Hey, what's that, dude?
So what's up then? You the man.
Next. The guy I finish up. Done, long time. You know, just say right now for hook up with them for some yard. So I go need some additional candles, make I take run things.
So how much like you can need?
Hotel where you get pool and thems.
Yeah.
Like $800, you go feel happy.
Whoa. Then how long do you intend to stay with them?
And it'll be one night. If I take girl go hotel everything, I go sleep. I go spend my life for them. One night no.
Go keep and save. Straight to
Just one night. And you expect us to pay $100? Huh?
You go figure the girl.
Chill. Yo. You boys don't worry. You all don't worry. I'll make the money available.
Now you're talking.
My dough.
Now you're talking.
That's it.
I mean, $100, you don't be anything for them.
I get everybody.
You know
right.
shit to me.
I guess you're right. This girl has really insulted our brotherhood. And this girl must be punished.
It be so. For punish him. And I have the power to be the punisher. I will punish him so much, say, if she finish, she will crawl for any talk.
That's
I can do this for you, man. I can do this for you. That is why.
You go show and say, Kaki, no be leather.
It don't be like that, bro. Kaki.
Well, welcome, my son.
Thank you.
Akia, hurry up. Charles is here.
I hope you are ready for now.
Ready for what?
Akia, don't try to tell me that you don't know that Charles is taking you out tonight.
I know, Mom, but
By what?
unfortunately, Charles, I don't think I can go out with you tonight.
What?
Where are you going if not with me?
Well, a friend of mine is having her birthday party and she's invited me.
What do you mean by that?
that your friend's birthday party is more important to you than me taking you out.
Oh, come on, Charles. Don't be unreasonable, eh? It's not like I never want to go out with you again. It's just that this invitation came rather impromptu and I really must attend. You have to understand, okay? We can do dinner some other time.
Well, Mom. I think I'll be on my way going.
My son, exercise patience, eh?
I'm cool.
Okay. Women and trouble. Huh?
See you.
APPIAH, why are you treating this poor boy like this? Eh? Is it a crime to love someone?
Mama, please. None of this your lawyer things again, eh? That was the same way you acted when Bob asked for my hand in marriage. And now Charles. Why, am I not old enough to choose a man that I want to go out with? Huh?
I know that you are old enough, but be very, very careful.
She's in love. She is in love with the American boy. She wants no other but the American boy. American boy.
I will sponsor the whole trip. 2-3 weeks, I'll put you in the best of hotels, you have the best of meals, everything on me.
I'm so happy.
And when you're coming back to Ghana, I mean, I don't know if I'll be able to come back with you, but I can let them ship a car down for you, a limousine like this.
Oh, I'm so happy. imagine me, a local girl, having servants, both male and female, at my beck and call? Can you just imagine?
Girlfriend, the news is all around town. This guy came to pick you up from the restaurant in a limousine.
In a limousine. They are not spreading the news well. Listen, huh? It wasn't just a normal limousine or like the ones they've been using in those local movies. So
tell me about it.
I said it was an official limousine that President Bush himself shipped.
Say what?
Yes, just for his personal use. And on top of it, it had the American flag. And all through our journey, we just had cheers from the crowd. Oh my gosh, I felt like we're shooting an American movie or something, and I was Julia Roberts and he was Richard Gere. Can you imagine?
Pretty woman, eh?
I know! That's exactly how I felt.
So now that the news is all around town, what are you gonna say to Charles when he gets to hear of
to
it?
hell with Charles. But Charles is old news now. He no longer exists in my book. So how can you compare an American Marine with a common building contractor?
Charles needs to be buried under the ground.
Come on! That's the Don sexy there. Yo!
Doctor.
I can see you were able to hit the sun.
Brother's on here something. Brother's on here something.
The general doctor. You know something? From today going, I have removed my crown and replaced it on your head. You are the new king. I mean, the real Don for this room. I bet you, I respect you.
Give him more. Okay, sir. Give him more places, man.
General doctor. I respect you. Doctor. A new king.
You see, now that the mission is completed, as planned, waiting you will do plus this, baby.
What does that be simple something? I'll go brush up.
Brush up my tail.
Later she will come see say, oh, me are you local boy.
This calls for a big time celebration.
Where you guys from? Go.
She is in love with the American boy.
Charles is complaining that you are avoiding him of late. Is there any problem between the two of you?
No, there's no problem. It's just that Charles does still not understand me, you know. He always wants me to abide by his rules.
What do you mean by that?
I mean, he's always full of dictating.
I see. So that is the reason why you're avoiding him?
No, Mom, I haven't been avoiding him. You see, it's just I've been so busy at the restaurants nowadays, you know, helping out and stuff like that. And helping my mom as well.
Oh, good. Then thank God you are still interested in the relationship. You know, Akia, you have to make your marriage. They say women are weak, but the men are weaker than us. So please make it up to him, okay? Is that okay? Thank you, girl. That's my girl. Would you want something to drink?
Oh, no, thank you. Mama, you should have seen the way this guy was dressed today. He was looking so fine. All the female customers at the restaurant were just staring at him the whole time. He was just looking so cute and charming, Mama.
Akia, so tell me, isn't your fiancé cute and charming enough for you?
No, leave Charles out of this. I can't see I've been trying to avoid him.
Just because of that guy.
Why are you so in love with that guy? Simply because he's American?
Mama, see, that is how I know that you don't even know this guy's level. See, this guy is not just an American boy. He's an American soldier, a captain and a member of the Royal Marine Corps with a high rank for that matter.
Yes. So why is he in Ghana whilst his colleagues are seriously fighting in Iraq? Why?
He's one of the few American soldiers that President Bush trusts. He's here on a secret mission. And according to him, he says that some terrorists have infiltrated our country and they are here to destabilize West Africa.
Why?
Well, he says that according to some people that Saddam Hussein's trial was not fair enough. So they want to get back at him by destroying the American embassies in this country.
Yeah. So you are trying to tell me he came down to arrest them, right?
Exactly.
Hey, Akia, be careful, oh. Be very careful, eh? Don't bite the hand that feeds you. That's what I will tell you.
From a nobody to somebody.
Do you know what you're doing?
Of course I understand what I'm doing. What sort of question is that? Huh? Do I look like a mad woman to you?
Please.
Look, I already told you I'm not in love with you anymore. It's all between the two of us. As you can see, I'm already engaged to an American soldier. And there's no way I'd leave him for a thing like you.
Please, Akia, you can't do this to me. Please, sweetheart, you can't do this to me.
Of course I can do it. I just did it.
Please, please.
Move!
Hey, look at you. What sort of a man are you? She only had your love for a minute and now she's giving it back to you. So just take it and bounce.
Can you imagine? Look at this thing. Leave!
Please.
I said leave! Oh, leave! 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 Can you imagine that? Oh my God, no! Oh no, come later, please. Can you imagine? I love it!
From I'm fire and temo, near done no years from Gopa. Miri Mako, of it, dear Miri Magune. And what I said, yeah, the dead, a courageous and I go, you know. Mankind of the to Sukra, Sabre, Bob, than me, Bonono. Miku, me, woman, no. Me, any met me, Bia.
What is wrong? Why are you crying like a baby? And what happened to your shirt? Talk to me, son, please. This is your mother. Please confide in me, okay? Tell me, what happened? She doesn't love me again. Talking, son. You mean Akia says she doesn't love you? So, and she did this to you, so it means you have to cry like a baby and come home. Hey, wake up, yeah, man. Listen to me. Akia says she doesn't love you again. That is not the end of the world, right? All is not lost. Let me tell you, look, take her. She is surely going to pay dearly for that, okay? You know what? God at our bed is not a sleeping God. Okay? Cheer up. All is not lost, right? Oh, come on, let's go. Let's get inside and stop what you're doing.
I want the honors, oh yeah. Enough, not in yeah.
She's in love with the American. She is in love with the American boy. American boy.
Sir, why are you sitting in the sun? Are you sick?
No.
Sir, you look worried. Have we done any bad job for you?
Not at all. I just want to have some quiet time, that's all.
But sir, concerning the cement, how many do you want us to mix?
I've already told ADATSI about everything since you went out this morning.
Okay.
But meanwhile, I want you to keep an eye on him.
Charlie?
I learned he has long hands.
That's alright. I'll do that.
I'll go back to you.
Thank you. Hey, you are too slow about this work. You better be quick about it. Water. And you, what are you standing there for? Water.
So upset.
Anything I did, I chop. I did like I know did. Just say, what I finish somewhere.
What?
Money to do what?
Oh. You know, sir, for still they organize the pay. What should they talk? I take the money, run the girl. For the go for the kill, Charlie, for the just knock him down. I they talk something serious, you guys they laugh. Why they laugh? You forget what the girl take do you guys? With me I can't say I can't save you boys. Organize the money, make her the run things.
Hold up, man. Can't play this cheap tricks on us anymore.
We can't cheap tricks.
You want us to gather money so you can go and flirt with that girl, eh?
It don't be so for do am.
But we had a deal that once the girl, that's all.
That's it.
How can I deal with you for the continue?
That will be on you.
But this money you give me be how much?
You have to say how much?
It be how much?
The dollar we give you be how much?
Oh, but the money you give me, no be the girl I take run things. It not because of you guys that they do am.
So period. So what next?
And for the continue to brush. What should they talk?
You for the continue to.
And for the brush.
Right now, what is the next action?
Man, we all the hustle. We all the hustle.
I got some bills to settle.
Yeah. You don't do like that, brothers. Wait, you don't do like that. Just say, okay, Charlie, I broke small, I broke.
No. Why don't you leave this guy? Leave this madman alone. Let's find something better.
Too much brushing. It's too much brushing. How much do you want brush the woman?
Okay, that's we like that.
Come on yourself. You're the Taiwan brush.
Forget it.
You the thing say you be the fresh guy, so anytime you get a thing like you feel screw, alright? Charlie, I be one
pass be that.
I bet you, I be one pass you. Even I won't swallow you. If you don't know, I won't swallow you.
This money you give me be how much? Waiting. So you guys be like you know you can't jealous me self. I get it to the brush and you they jealous. Oh. I go run my own things, not be anything.
This is Major Dr. Nelly. This is the man that I want to get married to.
Hi, mother.
Hey, Akia, haven't I warned you? Huh? Haven't I warned you to stay away from this guy?
Mom, what's all this? What sort of attitude is this? Why are you acting like this? This is Major Dr. Nelly. This is the man that wants to marry me and send me outside this country. So why are you sitting here acting like this? Why are you embarrassing me?
I will. Huh? What shows that he came from America? Huh? What shows? Akia, I am your mother and I'm sensing something fishy about this guy. Huh? Akia, what's wrong with you? Hey, it's okay.
Mother, please.
Hey, shut up and leave my house. Leave my house.
She is in love with the American boy. American boy. So-called American boy. She wants no other but the American boy.
Have you seen what you just done? Mom, what's all this? And what's all this? Akia, the way you are thinking about this man, he is not. He will not take you anywhere. Why? Why? I don't because I'm wanting. I didn't so no. Oh, so is that why you should embarrass me in front of him? Don't you know that I'm your mother? I'm your mother and I know what is good for you. If you don't know. Mom, what's this? I'm even tired of this. I don't even know why she is
in love with the American boy. American boy.
I'm even tired. What? Today church, tomorrow church. I want to work all day. Why? Am I not old enough to choose a man for myself? Laurisha, please advise your friend. How they study Toy's Charles?
Mother, what has she gone to do now?
Hey, how can she neglect Charles to that idiot who claims he came from America? Akia, you must know your roots. This guy rented this apartment for us, as well as the restaurant. Besides, he's taking good care of you. Why, Akia, why?
Mother, I understand how you feel, but taking care of Akia is nothing. There are men out there building big mansions, buying expensive cars, clothes, shoes. Are you telling me these girls are more for women than Akia? Huh? After all, this guy is a major doctor, an American soldier. Isn't that what you want for your daughter? Huh? After all, it's the love between them that really matters.
Laurisha, what do you mean by that?
Mother, look, I simply mean that love was in existence before money. So please, let her just follow her heart. Okay? Because what the heart decides, the mind can never change it.
Now I know that you are a bad girl. And I will not sit here and see you spoil my daughter. Leave my house.
Mother,
leave my house! What? Leave here! Leave Akia next to me. Akia. Hey! Leave her. Mom, please. Akia, get in! Hey! I say get inside. Me! Yo!
When you die me, when you die me, when you die me, yo, and everyone is so. When you die me, when you die me, when you die me, yo. And then me damn me know, you shall see a fe, or that shall see it is a war. And from I'm fire and tamo, near don't know yes, from go pa, and me remako, of it, dear me remagune. And what I said, yeah, the I go get you, then I go, you know. Mankind of yan to Sukra, Sabre, Bob, than me, bon, you know. Me come home, no. Me, any met me, be. Me twana this year so, and I'm here dodging dear. I feel your titi me, I feel your habit. What's in the class in book? A woman in tear. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know now. When you're running, I don't know. You come on me, Ramo. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know now. When you're running, I don't know. Atiti baby, when you die me, when you die me, when you die me, yo, and anyone is so. When you die me, when you die me, when you die me, yo, and me damn me no, umti, and me tavonya me yo, umti. And never was young for me. You mean to me, grand me, you mean to me, grand me, tongue. You mean to me, grand
Charles, this is not going to solve your problem. The girl will surely come back to you. Just put yourself together and watch her. Hey! Drinking. That's not the solution. You had better put your acts together. Charles, what is wrong with you? What is
When you're running, when you're running, don't know. When you're running, don't know. You come on me, Ramo. When you're running, don't know. When you're running, don't know. When you're running, don't know. Hearty baby. When you die, me. When you die, me. When you die, yo. And then anyone is yo. When you die, me. When you die, me. When you die, yo. And then me down, me know.
She's a woman. She doesn't know what she wants, but she's so beautiful, ooh, and so desirable. She's the kind of woman that every man desires. Strong attraction, that's what she inspires. But she's in love. She is in love with the American boy. She wants no other but the American boy. She is in love with the American boy. She wants no other but the American boy. From a local girl to a city girl, from a nobody, ooh, to somebody. Suddenly, she has acquired a very high taste.
So, this is where I am. This is where I live. Yeah? Come on in, come in. Come. Come. So this is my compound, and that's my room right there.
Where is this? Is this your place? Is this your place you were talking about?
Yeah.
But why did you have to move here? You're an American soldier. Why did you have to move here?
Come on, Cinderella. I've told you countless times and again why I have to be here. I'm on a mission. And I can't afford to blow my top. I just can't afford to do that. You know, so I have to be in an area like this. You know I can afford to buy mansions, right? And live in executive palaces, executive hotels, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm only here because if I want to flush out the terrorists, I need to be here. I need to get to the grassroots. That's why I'm here.
I'm sorry I asked though.
Nah, you don't have to be sorry. If you don't know something, it's good to ask. If you don't understand something, it's good to ask. Hey, I'm only here for security reasons, nothing more. But I can promise you, it's not going to be for long. Okay? And if ever my landlord comes around asking about my utilities, me not paying, don't worry about it. It's only part of the strategy. Okay? Alright, let's go.
American boy. She is in love with the American boy. American boy. She wants no other but the American so-called American boy.
I don't like her attitude. Who the hell does she think she is?
Why are you screaming? Why the shout? For what reason? Are you jealous of me?
Me?
Yes.
Jealous?
Yes.
She's a woman. She can't just come and go without doing anything in this house. She has to do something.
You mean to worry you? Just that.
What's going on here? Why is she shouting like that?
I don't know. Ask her.
Look here, woman. As long as you are willing to live in this house, you must sweep the compound, clean the washroom, as well as the toilets.
Hold on. Is it me you're talking to like that? Huh? Is it me you're talking to like that? Do you know who I am?
Do you know who she is?
Do I look like one of these girls around here? Do I even look like you? Huh? How dare you say those things to me? How dare you open your mouth and shout at me? Look, woman, you better check yourself before you talk to me the next time.
That's my baby talking.
Look here, woman. If this is the case, you will not eat this food here. Because after you are done, you will throw the waste in the garbage, which you will not sweep. Secondly, you will not visit the toilets and the bathroom. If you're ready to do all these things, I have no problem with you.
Hey. What's your problem? What's your problem? Who are you to command my wife to do these things?
Where were you when he was dying of hunger? Where were you when Adusa was dying of hunger?
Hey, shut up! Shut up, will you? Just shut up! What's wrong with you? She has a problem. Don't listen to all she's saying, okay? She's been trying to woo me for the past God knows how long. She just can't get me, so she's all jealous about it. Come on, let's go inside. Just forget this lady.
Let's go inside.
Don't talk to her that way.
Your own.
She wants no other but the American boy. American boy. She is.
Allahu Akbar. Allah wa lakal hamd.
Yes. And who is that?
I am the landlord of this house. And I'm looking for Eduse.
Eduse?
Yes, that young man who lives in there.
Oh, you mean Nelly? Hold on, I'm coming.
It's such a pleasant day. How is the landlord doing today?
How do you expect me to be fine? How do you expect me to be fine when you have to pay my rent for so many months?
Master, I beg you, I go pay. Why you come here, can't make plenty noise?
See,
like
I have been hearing this story for several years. Huh? Please, pay my money, oh.
Boss,
I say pay this money, oh. Pay me this money, oh. This is your last time.
Calm down.
Alright.
You carry the cook. Oh!
What was that all about?
No, nothing. I was just having a little tete-a-tete with the house owner. Telling me some stuff. Never mind about it. It's nothing.
Are you sure?
There's nothing wrong. Come on, let's go back. Come on, there's nothing wrong.
She is in love with the American boy. So-called American. She wants no other but the American.
You laughed and laughed and laughed. That was so funny.
Where did you get that joke from?
I don't even remember.
Nelly, I would need some money so that I can prepare some really good food for you tomorrow.
Wow, that's really romantic, you know. Really, really nice of you. You know, you've been very nice to me, you know that? Really, really nice to me. And that's why I like you. But can you foot the bill for tomorrow's meal? Because you know I haven't been to the embassy yet to get my weekly check. So the minute I get it, I'll pay you back.
That won't be a problem.
Okay.
So, what food would you want to eat?
What would I want to eat? Lately I've been trying to get used to the local food. So either, what's this called? Banquine? Is it a banquine?
No, it's a banquine.
Aha, okay, that. Or a preference set. A preference set. I got it right.
Yeah, you got it.
A preference set. Okay, no. I prefer fufu. I like fufu. Yeah.
It's fufu.
Okay.
And I'll do it for you because my favorite food as well.
Your favorite is fufu?
Yeah.
Wow. Akia. That would be nice. Really nice. Hey, you remember the thing I told you the other day? Come on. Hey, I thought you were sleeping.
I'm awake.
Okay.
Well, I couldn't sleep though. Well, there's something I want to tell you.
Something like what, baby? Just tell me.
I'm pregnant.
You're kidding me, right? You're kidding me. Stop that. Stop that. You're kidding me.
I'm serious.
Oh my God. You're pregnant? Wow.
You happy?
Yeah, I'm happy. I'm really happy.
I'm happy too.
Wow.
There's a problem.
What's the problem, baby? What is it? Tell me. Anything, I'll solve it.
Well, our landlord is threatening to throw us from the house if we don't pay our rent before the end of the month.
And how much are we talking about?
25 million.
25 million. How much is that in dollars? Like roughly?
I think it's like $3,000.
That's peanuts. That's peanuts. Come on. I got it covered.
Really?
Yeah. I'll take care of it, you know? I just have to go to the embassy in the crowd, pick up my check, and it's flushed. You know what I'm saying? You're welcome. Hey, tell my mother-in-law not to worry about it.
I'll tell her.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So, what name do you think we should give to our baby?
Nelly Jr.
No selfish. Good evening.
Heard from you.
I went to see Laurentia.
The landlord was here. So you better tell that boyfriend of yours to come and pay our rent before we are drawn from this house.
Mama, you worry too much. 25 million is nothing for Nelly. Trust me. Look, once he comes back from the American embassy, he'll come and pay our rent. And we wouldn't have anything to worry about, especially our financial problems, okay? Yes.
He better do before the public see that we are crying. Akia.
Mama, you worry yourself too much. And what's this? You worry yourself. Do you have food there?
Yeah, your food is in there.
Don't worry. Nelly will come. American dollar.
So how's the babe?
Oh, that girl, she chopped. In rush or you know where she did? She did my storeroom for the zongo inside.
Whoa.
I just chuck her for the
No, am I dreaming?
Dream with it.
Charlie, so you mean after all these days you've been able to reduce the Madam Class to a non-entity?
That's a chuck how long time. Wait, the camera give it to.
Whoa! I can't just believe my eyes.
I beg out.
So, I don't know, where are you going?
I go house. This morning I come out to you see where I go. That's why I go investigate some people come. I go carry my concrete sack. Yeah.
Women, they think they are smart. I tell you.
Charlie.
Go teach them sense.
Yeah, you know. Especially that girl, you know, rush strong. You know what I'm saying?
Charlie, I'm so much.
Okay, young man. Why are you trying to avoid me? It's over 3 months since you paid your last light bill. Why?
So you don't go make her enter my room? You don't go make her enter my room?
Look at you. I'm telling you about light bill and you're asking me nonsense. Are you mad? Are you mad?
Don't make her vex.
Yeah.
Don't make her vex. Why you tell me nonsense? If you tell me nonsense, I go blow you shit.
If I insult you, what can you do? What can you do? What can you do? Tell me.
What's going on here?
Ask him.
Why are you insulting him like that? Why are you shouting at him like that?
I don't get it. I'm even mesmerized. I'm not understanding this old man, really.
Why? He doesn't know who you are. Don't you know who this guy is?
Who is he? A man who cannot pay his light bill. Do you call him a man?
What are you talking about?
It's okay. Let's not bother about him. I think he's going bananas, really.
You will not enter this room until you pay the light bill.
Don't bother us, please. Okay?
Let's go. Don't allow these mad people to stand in front of you.
Bananas, man.
Oh, right inside your day.
Hi. What are you doing? Okay?
Yeah. But where are you going?
To the embassy.
But how can you go to the embassy dressed like this?
Come on, security reasons, remember?
You know, you have to make it quick because we have so many things to take care of, okay?
I know. Just carry on with whatever you're doing. The good news is they called me from the embassy to come and pick up my check. They're sending me the jet to pick me up. So the minute I'm back tomorrow, everything will be solved.
That's good news then.
Yeah. You trust me?
I trust you.
You trust me?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Well, good luck then, okay?
Okay, I'll see you.
Late, okay?
I will. Leave my food.
I will. I'm making it for you anyways.
Yeah.
And I'll pay.
Send those girls or ladies out. I don't have time for them. They think they can cheat on me. Bring them out.
Out.
You can't push me like that.
Out. Let's out.
Listen. Where are you taking the bus? Guys, send them in.
I'll tell you out the last person. You are not taking anything out of this house. Understand? Unless you pay the last person, you are not going to take anything out of this house. Nonsense.
But landlord, at least you can pity us. What's all this? Look, my boyfriend is an American soldier. An American soldier. He has so much money. And so I'm sure before the end of the week, he'll come up with the money.
Listen to her. Your boyfriend an American?
Yes, an American.
He can be a CIA,
a Mossad, or even a KGB. I don't care damn about it. I've warned you. You know, it's 6 months into time. And you've been making some flimsy excuses, promising to pay every now and then, and it's not coming. Look, you are owing me 100 million, 25 million for this house, and then 75 for the restaurant, and the one never to enter there. Because whenever you make your mind to go there, the laws of the land will catch up with you.
I'm going to ask my people to go and then lock it up. You're not taking anything out of there. Nonsense.
At least give us our bags, so give us our bags.
Akia, see what you've done to yourself. I warned you about that American boy. And you won't listen. American soldier.
Akia, what are you worried about? Nelly is worth more than the 100 million he's talking about. So why are you worried? We'll just have to go to his house and then we'll collect the money. Don't be worried. Don't be worried at all.
You must see.
But landlord, at least you can give us our bag.
You have nothing to pick from here.
Why?
Drive them away. Out.
Don't touch me. I said don't touch me. Please. I'm looking for Nelly. I'm Nelly, the American soldier that I used to live with.
He said, why are you saying an American soldier?
How? His name is Nelly. He's an American soldier.
He's a Ghanaian. Edu say he's a Ghanaian. Full-blooded Ghanaian. He is Edu say I'm not Nelly. He is no more living here.
He doesn't live here anymore. Why then? Where is he living? Do you know where he is now?
If you want me to take you there, I can take you there. I know where he works.
So please take me there.
Okay, madam, wait there.
Okay. But when did he move?
Hey, Akia.
Mom, this is not the time. This is not the time.
Yes, let's go.
You know.
I know where you are.
The person I'm talking about.
The person I'm talking about.
She's in love with the She is in love with the American boy. American boy. So-called American boy. She wants no other but the American boy. She doesn't want no other but American. She is in love with the American boy. So-called American boy. She wants no other but the American boy. She has thrown away everything for the American boy. She is in love with the American boy. She will do anything and everything for the American boy. She wants to.
Good afternoon, gentlemen.
Good afternoon.
Hey,
We are looking for this.
What do you say?
I do say.
Nelly. His name is not Edusei. It's not Nelly.
Edusei. Yes, sir. Come over here. Okay. You have it.
Yes, that's it.
Nelly! Hey, Akia! So, we can't say me Joe. You know a brandy and I'm saying brandy when you suban. Also, the American soldier, right? The tip you are the area also concrete in the water. Oh, also, 220 and only. Mensa. So, what's the more of a father? Hey! Where would they find? Eh, a brandy. Oh, quiet the mafaso. What do you know? Some of them are coming to find you, but some will be. Wait, what is it?
Get this please.
She's a woman. She doesn't know what she wants, but she's so beautiful, ooh, and so desirable. She's the kind of woman that every man desires.